Good afternoon to you. My name is Victoria Kwesiga. I'm the wife of Honorable Justice John Wilson Kwesiga, the judge of the High Court of Uganda. I'm a pharmacist by profession. I work with the National Drug Authority, and I came to know Apollo Hospital through Dr Reddy Pereddy Somasekhara, who is an orthopaedic of Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills. And because I had a hip problem, I contacted him, and I came here for assistance for a total hip replacement. So during that time, I had a conversation with him about my son also, who had the doctors in Uganda had diagnosed a goiter, but it was recurrent after 6 months. So I was wondering why it was recurrent, yet surgery had been done. A thyroidectomy had been carried out. I asked Dr Reddy Pereddy Somasekhara. Then he said, no, you come to Apollo Hospital, I'll get for you the best specialist at the hospital, in the same hospital where you are coming for surgery. So I came with my son, Kevin Kwesiga. He's a graduate. I came with him. When we reached here, Pereddy Somasekhara connected us to Dr Bandhari, oncosurgeon. Dr Bandhari continued with the tests immediately, and he did an endoscopy. He handled it as an emergency case because much as in Uganda they had diagnosed a thyroid problem, there was an underlying problem of a tumor under the thyroid, which they thought the problem was simple, but it was bigger than that. And that tumor was growing so fast towards the larynx, and it was entering the trachea and threatening to block him. But thanks to Mr. Bandhari, who acted so fast and handled it as an emergency, and immediately scheduled an emergency surgery to my son. And actually, my son at the moment, as I talk, owes his life to Dr. Bandhari, and I'm really so grateful. So they operated him. He spent some 3 weeks following him up in the tracheostomy ward. After that, he was discharged, but he continued following him up on medication and follow-up. Up to now, he's under him. And if it was not for Dr. Bandhari by now, I don't think I would be having my son beside me as you are seeing us now. I'm very grateful to Dr. Bandhari for that good heart and the speed he took and the emergency decision he made to operate quickly on my son. And I'm very grateful to Dr. Reddy Somasekhara because he operated me. All the pain I came with immediately left. Now I'm able to walk but without pain, and I'll soon go back to my work without any pain. So I'm grateful to these doctors because soon I'll be going back to my work, and I'm very grateful. So I really thank Apollo Hospital, Jubilee, and I promise to connect you to more patients, to open up Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills International Center to other patients in our country. Those who don't know you will come to know you. Already some people are asking me. So I direct more people to come here. Thank you so much, Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills International Referral Center. Thank you so much to Dr. Reddy Pereddy, and thank you so much to Dr. Bandhari. God bless you all. God bless you. And these blessings are not only from me, but from all my siblings, my family, my relatives. They are all happy on the good work done. And my son Kevin is very happy because you've restored his life and a chance. He has had a chance to live again. And that is really appreciated so much And God bless you. God bless you so much. Thank you so much.